WuXi United Mobility Technology Incorporated is a professional manufacturer and integrated designing and development company, which is neighbored to Shanghai, provides convenient transportation as well as the remarkable advantages of bicycle industrial base. Our company has 2 professional assembling lines, 1 welding line equipped with Japanese welding machines, giant quality control process, which are very skilled to produce smooth welding and cargo e-bike. Our company has always been committed to serving our customers at the reasonable price and quality with ISO 9001 and ERP system. We aimed at the high-end overseas market only, such as Europe and USA market. We owned a good reputation, committed to the development and manufacture of electric bikes, electric tricycles, cargo e-bike, as well as provide conversion kits for customers. Our company has set up a German experience and after-sales center and partnership with a Poland assembly factory. With well-skilled assembly workers and technical teams with many well-educated and trained engineers, including the mechanical parts and electrical parts, we can provide customers with assembly and perfect after-sales service. Facing the opportunities and challenges of the current economic globalization, we make great efforts to provide innovative products and satisfy the customer's requests. With a high reputation of high quality, moderate cost, on-time delivery, we are looking forward to achieving sustainable development and common prosperity with our customers.